Hi, my name is Gerhard Schweitner and welcome to Selling Power TV. Today we have the pleasure of continuing our conversation with Kevin Epstein. He is the Vice President of Marketing with CloudShare. Welcome.
Thank you, Gerhard. Great to be back.
Yesterday you told us about an amazing technology that actually I predict will give WebEx a run for their money.
We think WebEx is a great partner, but in truth, the next step after whiteboarding and collaboration that we, of course, also offer is live hands-on machines virtually offered in the cloud, which, of course, is the core of our business.
Which reduces the travel expenses and makes sales calls a lot more productive. Give me some of examples of customers that you have worked with that have used your solution now for an extended period of time. What are some of those usage scenarios?
So I'll begin with a great customer of ours, WebSense, who's used us in a sales engineering capacity. So classic use case where instead of just being on the phone for sales reps and then making the sales engineers do all the hard work of traveling to the site, WebSense is using us as a way of shortening the time for a sales cycle to close, so sales acceleration, when your sales engineer can offer a virtual demo and leave that at a customer site, things go a lot faster. I can also point to Cisco, who's using us in a similar capacity as well as for training and certification. Again, when half of your time in the physical world is spent going out and setting up machines, if you can remove that piece and have your trainers and sales engineers just focus on the fun part, as it were, customer interaction, you get a much higher throughput and higher productivity per sales engineer and trainer.
It increases the engagement level.
Absolutely increases the engagement level, and it's a win-win-win situation. Customers get their own personal hands-on experience much faster. Sales engineers get to deal with more customers and act less like cable technicians. And sales management, to their credit, gets great visibility into what not only their own sales engineers are doing, but what their extended reseller channel and end-user customers are doing.
And they get it on Linux.
And they get it on Linux, and they get it on iPhone.
Right. Awesome. So how old is the company?
Company's only 3 years old, believe it or not, and we've only had product out for a year. But in that year, we've had amazing uptake. In the year of the enterprise product, we had customers like VMware and Cisco and SAP and Alcatel as end users. And of course, on the end user front, we've had thousands of users sign up, driven in part by our CloudShare Pro product, available for free at cloudshare.com/pro.
What is your vision? You've been at it for 3 years. What's going to happen in 2010? What's going to happen after that?
So in 2010, we've heard an increased need from salespeople for virtual engagement. This is an ongoing trend. We watched Salesforce.com grow from an unknown contact manager to the way that people handle their contacts in CRM. We watched WebEx go from being a sort of cute webinar tool to being a live web collaboration tool. And the logical next step is to move beyond just contact management, email, and whiteboarding into a live collaborative environment.
So do you see a protocol that's different from WebEx with CloudShare where you can increase the effectiveness or the intensity of the collaboration?
One of the nice things about two-way collaboration versus broadcasting is that in a customer situation, people grow more and more enamored of the product. And just as we've moved, I think, from the old enterprise sales model, which was relationship-driven but was golf course-based, I think the new enterprise sales model for technology is still relationship-based, but is 2 people or 4 people working together on a machine project as opposed to a golf course. It's virtual data centers, not greens. And we're enabling that.
Now, where do you see the balance between relationship building and co-creation online?
Believe it or not, and this may seem a funny answer from a technology company, we believe that the relationship is the key to the sale. And we view our role not as showing off our technology, but rather as taking a quiet back seat as a platform to enable our clients to really build a wonderful relationship and, again, spend more time on that cooperation and collaboration versus the sitting alone in a data center plugging in machines.
So you're advancing both the art and science of sales.
We believe in it.
Well, thank you, Kevin. For anybody who would like to get more information, go to cloudshare.com right now. Thank you very much, Kevin.
Gerhard, a pleasure being here. Thank you very much.